Good morning, everybody. I just woke up and I told you I was going to post a video with the rest of my stuff. Junior says good morning too. Hi. It's a beautiful cold day out here in northern suburbs. But I figured I would try on these wigs and you can see me get ready. So let's get ready. So, since I'm still losing my hair, I like to put a little hair oil, nourishing hair oil in my hair. Where did I put it? Where did it go? This will work. Smells so good too. Slowly coming back, but I mean, like, I still got some bald spots. Alright, so we're gonna start off with a wig cap. As you see, I still got bald spot right here. And this ain't growing right, but that's okay. Alright, let's try on these wigs. Shein wig overhaul. I didn't get like 10 wigs, but that's okay. Here's the first one. I think I'm getting sick again. I'm gonna cut this tag off. Give it a little brush. So I have a small head circumference, and I got this on the medium, but still a little loose. So here's a close-up of how it looks. It's not sitting down right. I have it adjusted right. It's got wire ear things to mold to your head. See, I just bent them to my head. But this is what it looks like. Now, let's see if we try. I need a mirror. So if we try to move that part over. Oh my goodness. I'm getting smothered in hair here. I suppose with some training it would. But what do you think? I'm smothered in hair, and it's even lightweight, but it's just it's a lot of hair down. I like it. I really like it. I don't think I would alter this much. I think I would just glue it down. See if you could see really nice and close. I would probably pluck the hairline just a little bit, but I really like it. The color looks really good on me too. Show you the back. Oh, that's gorgeous. I used to have hair this long a couple years ago. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. I love it. I love how it feels too, and it doesn't smell bad. And there's, of course, when you first get a wig, there's going to be a little hair loss. Not all this is from her, but not much shedding. Okay, let's try this one. So we're gonna comb this one out. This one's a little shorter. Static, oh my god, static. Holy static. Alright. She has the metal in the ears also. Okay. The bangs are a little too long for me. So if I go back a little bit. See the side view. Oh, it's slipping already. So if you have an average size head, these all work. I have a very small head. I have a 21 inch. Here's the back view. Very lightweight. Very, very lightweight. Here's a close-up. So there you go. That's all the Shein wigs I have for today. Thank you for joining my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'm still learning how to do all this, so bear with me as I learn how to be a YouTuber. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.